Next question. We have x over x minus 2, which is equal to 5 over x minus 2 minus 1 over 2. Now if we look at all three denominators, we want to ask ourselves first, can we factor? Well, x minus 2 cannot be factored any further, and neither can be 2. So now we need to find the restrictions. So we have a similar denominator here, which has a variable in it, which is x minus 2 equals 0. Since it's the same, we can just set one of those equal to 0. Solving for x, we get x is equal to 2. Now how many terms do we have in this equation? We have 1, 2, 3 terms. So we have 3 terms. Then we have to determine the LCD. So the LCD, we have one denominator which is x minus 2, another denominator which is x minus 2, and then we also have a denominator which is 2. And since we have 1 in common, which is x minus 2, we have only one x minus 2 in the LCD, and then we have 2 times that, which is 2 times x minus 2. Step number 4, we're going to multiply each term by the LCD. So we're going to write down the original equation, which is x over x minus 2 equals 5 over x minus 2 minus 1 over 2. Now the reason why I use brackets is that it just allows me to separate brackets with the parentheses. It just helps me clearly see what I need to simplify. And then I'm going to multiply each term by the LCD, which is 2 times x minus 2 over 1. So in the next step, we're going to simplify. So we know that x minus 2 goes into x minus 2 one time. So we have 2 times x. Equals x minus 2 goes into x minus 2 one time. So we have 5 times 2. Minus 2 goes into 2 one time. So what's left is 1 times x minus 2. So now we're going to multiply this out. So we have 2 times x, which is 2x, which is equal to 5 times 2, which is 10. And then we're going to take this minus 1 and then distribute it to both terms. So minus 1 times x is minus x. Minus 1 times minus 2 is plus 2. And then we're going to combine like terms on the right side. So we have 10 plus 2 gives us 12. And what's left is minus x. And then we're going to isolate x by bringing all the x's on one side of the equation. So we add x to both sides. 2x plus 1x gives you 3x, which is equal to 12. Divide both sides by 3. 12 divided by 3, x is going to equal 4. So the solution is 4, and the excluded value at the beginning is 2. And this is a conditional statement because we have one unique solution.